Hello everybody and welcome to my first unboxing in so long, right? The Gan 11M jewellery. This was my main this year, the Tornado V2M, and it's an amazing cube, amazing budget cube. I would definitely recommend it if you don't have it already. But this is the Gan 11M jewellery, and I am so excited to open it. So let's just get to that. Okay. That's kind of strange packaging. All right, I got this from Cubes UK. Oh, this it's a very small box. All right, this is absolutely beautiful packaging. Yeah, my first Gan cube this was with. Okay. All right, let's open this. ASMR for you right there. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh my god. All right, this is actually really exciting. My first ever Gan cube. Okay. Awesome. All right. Okay. All right then. The amazing box design that we're seeing more and more in the cube market. You just put your fingers there, and then you give it a light press. Yeah. Oh, this is really light actually. Alright, hang on. I'm not going to do first turns just yet. I'm getting really excited. Okay, what's in this little accessory box that we've got here? Alright, we've got the infamous pouch that we get with most Gan cubes. Suede. I can't believe that I'm seeing the Gan brand right in front of my eyes. This is so cool. Alright, the tensioning tool. Instructions. I'm sorry, J-Bam. And more instructions. I might actually need these. Not in Chinese, obviously, in the English one. Because I don't know how to tension it, so I'm actually just not going to throw them away. Alright, let me get tidied up and we'll do a few solves. Alright, so let's do some first turns. I'm scared. It's really soft. Well, I got the frosted plastic. I prefer frosted plastic. Let's look at this quickly. Alright, so you got the magnets. I think they're a good strength actually. Okay, I've never turned a Gan cube before, so I guess it's just a new experience. I do really like it though. The magnet strength is good. It's gonna take a while for me to get used to it. I think because it is very different to the Tornado V2M, which I've been using for just about a year now. So I'm just gonna do a few solves, I guess. Look at that beautiful logo. Now that my cube's actually here, I really wish that I did more practicing in the past few months. I'm completely in the dark here. It's very stable, but I do feel like it's going to pop at any given time because it's just so light. 2020, I got a 2020 on that one. That was the worst year um 2332. I started solving the cross like halfway through after I messed up. This cube, while it was you know 60 quid, um it's very, it feels not cheap but very like very thin plastic, I guess. If I'm not mistaken, this cube has a magnetic core, I think. I watched J-Pam's video on it, and I can't remember if it was this one or a different one, but one of them had a magnetic core, so it was good for the corners and the edge pieces. Oh, that came out way easier than it should have. I thought I broke it. It does have a magnetic core. So that's really cool. We have got the honeycomb design on the bottom. Obviously my camera doesn't pick up anything, that's great. But look, if you look at the corners, they just click into place. That's it. Alright, also, it's not a very quiet cube. I'll do a quick comparison actually on the Tornado and this cube. I decided to do hand scrambles for my old main, so my first ever main 2 years ago. The Tornado, which is last year, and the Gan, which is this year. And hopefully we can do this every year, just compare all the mains that I've ever had. Alright, so first up, I'm going to do a solve on the unmagnetized, originally carbon fiber cube. Oh, I didn't even inspect. Oh, this is terrible. $24.93, terrible time. All I'm getting is terrible times at the moment, apparently. Okay. Now onto the Tornado. The Tornado is a lot heavier than the Gan, so I think that's maybe why that's probably the biggest difference that I've felt so far. Oh no. Oh. Oh, why did I do a U3? Alright, now the Gan. I'm going to do this again and actually solve them, because it seems that right now I'm just getting 20-second solves. I'm pretty sure it's because I'm on camera. Don't know how I'm going to do it comps, because I'm doing so badly. Yeah. $22.12. That was the best time out of all of them, but I'm still not happy with it. I think the bright plastic does make for a better F2L. So I've seen a video of Felix Zemdegs solving with a Rubik's brand cube, and he still got a really good time. So I don't think it really matters the cube bit, as long as you feel better about your solves. I think that's the main thing. Uh, so let's just do this. Let's scramble like off CS timer. 2093, terrible. Next tornado. So the main thing I'm trying to do now is trying to get a different cross solution for each solve, because I don't want to cheat and do the same scramble all over again. $19.43. $17.63. So it seems like I am getting better times with the GAN, but it just feels a bit different to what I'm used to, I guess. Once I start getting better times, better AO5s like I used to, then I'll make an update video. Bye bye. I was gonna write bye on the cubes and I really messed up with the E.